the files that we actually need to start the DFA check, the design for assembly check, critical are your bill of materials, XYRS, which is your pick and place files, and then all the layers of your Gerbers, which must include copper, paste, and silkscreen. And I know that not every customer has the opportunity or has most of those files. So if you're missing the XYRS file or the paste, we also have services here to create those files for customers who don't have those files.
Okay.
For us.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, how common is that? I don't really know a lot about assembly files other than the assembly file and the BOM.
So, for example, for us, we process anywhere between 25 to 30 jobs that actually get booked into the system. And of those jobs, I'd say almost all of them go on hold for some sort of missing files initially, because customers just don't think that we need them, but we actually do.
Okay.
And so it happens a lot more often than you would think.